In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change timelines in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working on a project with more than one timeline, switching between them is very quick once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you've created different versions of an edit, separate sequences for different scenes, or alternate timelines for social media, YouTube, or client revisions. To change timelines in DaVinci Resolve, start by looking at the top area of the interface, just below the project name. In that section, you'll see the name of the timeline that is currently open. This is the timeline you're actively editing right now. Go ahead and click on that current timeline name. When you do, DaVinci Resolve will show you a list of the available timelines in your project. From there, simply choose the timeline you want to switch to. As soon as you click it, Resolve will open that timeline for you, and you can continue editing in the new one right away. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple feature, but it can save a lot of time, especially in larger projects where you're jumping between multiple edits. A helpful tip here is to make sure your timelines are named clearly. If every timeline has a descriptive name, it becomes much easier to switch to the correct one without confusion. This is particularly important when a project starts to grow and includes several versions or duplicate edits. Also remember that changing timelines does not affect your media files or other timelines. You're simply moving from one sequence to another within the same project. So if you ever need to compare edits or continue work on a different version, this drop-down at the top is the fastest way to do it. If you click the timeline name and don't immediately see the one you want, just take a second to check the list carefully, because the timeline has to already exist inside the project in order to appear there. So once again, look just below the project name at the top, click the currently open timeline, and then select the timeline you want to change to. After that, you're done. That's the quick and easy way to change timelines in DaVinci Resolve.